Stormy weather is forecast to continue across much of the eastern states over the coming days, bringing the daily risk of severe weather, particularly to New South Wales and Queensland. It's a pattern that we've already seen a bit this week, with storms developing each afternoon through central and southern Queensland, pushing into eastern New South Wales as well. A lot of this is being driven by a low pressure trough at the surface, which is lying through western Queensland and New South Wales. Now, the trough is important as it acts as a trigger, a starting mechanism for a lot of those shower and thunderstorms that develop during the afternoons. What's important to note is that over the coming days, this trough doesn't really move much. It stays lingering across those inland areas. In fact, deepening as the weekend goes on and pushing down into Victoria as well. This means it will continue to act as a trigger for thunderstorms across that period. Additionally, we've got very high moisture levels. Here we've got an approximation of our humidity levels, and we can see those very moist conditions through much of southeast Queensland and New South Wales, giving fuel to any showers and storms that develop. We're also seeing very unstable conditions in these areas, as denoted by our instability measure CAPE, particularly through southeast Queensland, much of New South Wales, and pushing south into Victoria by the end of the weekend. This means that our showers and storms are going to follow that same pattern. Today, they're largely going to be focused through southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales, with the risk once again of severe storms developing. Over the coming days though, we're going to see this risk continuing and in fact becoming more widespread throughout New South Wales and starting to push down towards Victoria as well. In fact, late in the weekend, when that trough starts to deepen, we may see an intensification of the showers and thunderstorms, giving a fresh burst to our thunderstorm outbreak going into early next week, unfortunately impacting our Christmas Day and Boxing Day in many of these areas. Now, for those of you in New South Wales or Queensland, you may be thinking that this showery, stormy weather is quite usual during summer, and it is, but it must be noted that it brings the risk of severe weather each day. Severe thunderstorms are possible, bringing heavy rainfall that could lead to flash flooding, damaging winds, or large hail. The severe thunderstorm areas may change from day to day depending on where the storms develop, so it's essential that you're checking the Bureau's warnings page each afternoon to stay up to date. One way or the other, you can find all of the details for those thunderstorm forecasts for your area via the Bureau's website and the BOM Weather app. Keep an eye on those updates and we'll catch you next time.